Well, look what just came in the mail today. Yeah. Been waiting for it for a week. I know there's been a lot of videos out there on these, but hey, never had one, never tried one. We're going to see what it all is all about, people. So y'all have to bear with me because I'm doing this one-handed. Yeah, turn the light on. See what this is all about. Just got it in the mail. Just FedEx just dropped it off. Manual. Definitely gonna have to read that. Let's see here. There it is. There it is, people. Got the blade on it and everything. Well, let's see what else we got in here. Oh, we got the hold down. We'll have to take that off, but all right, that's what it is, people. The Harbor Freight electric chainsaw sharpener, and we'll post this video up as an unbox, and we'll put it together, and then we'll do another video on it. All right, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it. You know the routine. Hit the subscribe button. I'd appreciate it. Until I get this done, I'll see you in a few. Bye.